Everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, I attacked Telsa. Telsa has earnings coming out tomorrow, I believe. So let's get into it right here. You see real account margin. I'm in the trade right there. So stocks real time, equity options real time, futures I don't trade it on this account. I don't have to pay for the subscription. Forex real time, others real time, MX New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq all real time feeds. So here's the trade. When Telsa opens up inside of the box. So what do I always tell you guys in the Platinum Max Power Option Trader group? When Telsa opens up inside of the box, this is kind of like the no trade zone. This is where we don't take trades, or we try to avoid taking trades because it's going to be a little bit of a hurt. So what is the box? The box is volume. The box is volatility. The box is support and resistance. And the box is price action, right? So that's all inside of the box. So I'm sitting here waiting for Telsa. I took the trade here. It was at 956. So 956. This is where I took the trade on that candle right under the box right there. Because when Telsa is weak, so Tesla, sorry, I keep calling it Tesla. So that's when I sent on the trade to you guys, 955, 956, and I had to wait because I always have to wait, and then I get into the trade. So you have a little bit of a movement right here, reversal, but that support and resistance inside of the box, I can even draw it out for you here because what candles close and open. Let me go over here and make sure I got my drawing tool up here. So 288.98, and then we have this downward move right here. Telsa back up here again, touching 288.59, which is another gravity point, pivot point. Now we're at the point of control because you see here on the volume profile, this is what I got up. So we're at the point of control right here, and we got the ESD bands that are starting to close in. They're getting really tight, so compression. You see it right there, ESD bands. That's what I got up for intraday trading, because they're self-adjusting, volatility. Sorry. Self-adjusting, volatility adjusting. And you see the 20 right here. You see it opening up to the downside, and this is pushing to the downside. This is the 200 pushing down. Whoa, that was not good. Post-nasal drip. So anyways, let's get back to it. You see it touching right here, the bottom of the ESD band. These are the laws of mathematics. These are the laws of probability. This is logarithmic, right? So it's all algorithmic, logarithmic. It's a formula that these are gravity points. These bands are actual gravity points as well, and they're compression and volatility. Expansion to the upside, compression to the downside. So this is all algorithmic, right? A lot of people don't understand what's on the platform and how to use the platform and how to work with it. So I'm explaining it to you right now, right? So where would be another low? Well, another low would be the band right here. Low is 286.70, crossed it, touched it once. So it touched it once here, came down, broke through it, touched it there, broke through it. So that potentially could be a new low, which is 286.49. So I'll just map that out for you. So for future reference, but we don't know what's going to happen, right? All of a sudden, Powell could come out with news and say, "Hey, man, the market's like great. We're saved. This and that, blah blah blah." And the market rallies 100 points in like 5 minutes. I don't know what's going to happen, right? I'm just following the laws of probability, the laws of analytics, the law of price action, right? Volatility, expansion, compression. Those are the laws that I'm following. All algo, right? Should we draw an algo channel so I can show you what the algos are doing? You should already know what the algos are doing, but I'll draw the channel. Right on that volatility band. And I'll actually even tighten this channel up. Let me activate the drawing there. And I'll push it down here. So I'll even tighten that channel up for the algorithms. So as long as that's inside of that channel, I'm staying in that trade. Let me do this. And then here, I could draw 2 stops. So this could be, well, yeah, I can draw 2 stops. So here's my first stop. And there would be my stop out there. So I could probably stop out in this trade. But what does it got to do for me to stop out in this trade? Well, I got in here, right? So I should be taking profit right now. If it breaks to the downside, I take profit. If it touches above here, so it's pretty tight. So I'm good. I'm going to wait for it to come down and possibly touch this lower end of this volatility band. If it can touch that lower end of that volatility band, then that'll be a stop for me for profit taking. So what's that? Let me see here. 286.91. So you're seeing all this in real time, right? You're seeing the methodology for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members. You're seeing the methodology of what's going through my mind in real time, what I'm thinking and what I'm doing and what I'm looking at. That's the point of control right there. That's where institutions are either going to say, we're going to start to load up on Telsa, or we're going to start dumping Telsa because it's earnings. Or they're going to say, institutions are going to be like, maybe I should get a straddle position. Sorry. So we wait and see. I'm on a 2-minute candle here. So this is why kind of on a side note, it doesn't hurt to talk, but every time I talk, it dries out my throat a lot. I get the coughing. It's the post-nasal dripping in the back there, a lot of buildup. I'm using a neti pot, trying to squeeze everything out. This morning I didn't use it because I'm trading. So after I get off this video, I'll be right to it. So I apologize for all the coughing and all the stuff there. You don't want to listen to that and see that, but just keeping it real, right? There we go. Look at that. Right on that band. That is fantastic. That is what Double P wants to see. So how did I know? Did I guess? I'm not guessing. You guys are right there live in real time right now watching me do this. Right? I'm not guessing. It's the law. It's the law of probabilities. It's the law of probabilities is algorithmic, right? These are gravity points that the stock has to adhere to, right? I'm not guessing. You guys see it here live in real time. I just walked right through it right here. So, you know what I mean? Now I'm going to stay in this trade because where am I going now? Well, where am I looking for now? I'm looking for the low of the day. I'm looking at the low of the day. Whoa, that is fantastic. Look at that move. That is bonus. That is gravy. Look at the size of that Maribozo. Ho ho. Sweet. Sweet. What a day. What a move. Now I'm going to sit in this trade. Now it's broken outside of this channel right here. Right? Now I'm going to mark off my next stop. And as quick as it breaks, that's as quick as it jumps right back up because Telsa is super volatile. So what I'll do right here is I'm going to raise this so I don't clog up the screen. I'm going to take a quarter of that candle. So I'm going to take a quarter of that candle right there, 286.76. I'm going to take my profit. I'm going to wait for this 2-minute candle to close. That is sweet. That was a monster move. You gotta love that. Let me shrink this down here. That's where I want to be. That's the move I want to see. I'm actually gonna auto adjust this. I'm gonna auto adjust this channel because I need to auto adjust it. And I'm going to take it, this is going to be steep. This is going to be very steep, and that's okay because I need it to be steep. Once you do this for a while, you'll get, this is art and science. Yeah, well, I'm going to wait for this candle to close on the low. Yeah, I'm out. Now it's the reversal. Always take the move. Always take the move off of the reversal, off of the low, because that's when it's going to be a reversal candle. Right? Look at the size. Look at the size of this Maribozo candle right here. This is like just deep size sell side activity. This was what? It was a good range, $1.14, 65 cents. That took out half of that candle. So now this candle is going to be, if it closes green, Tesla's going to fight. I'm out. I'm out. There we go. There we go. There we go. You have to be a disciplined. You have to be a disciplined trader. Right? Have to be disciplined. You get some super good profit. You got to take it. Right? Okay, close the door, please. Sorry, I'm just texting some other traders. I could jump back into this candle. I could jump back into this trade, but I'm not going to because I gotta be a disciplined, you gotta be a disciplined trader. Where's the volatility band? Volatility band right there on the low. See right here? Lower end of the volatility band, lower end right there. So I'm gonna wait now. As your second and third and fourth line of defense, you have right here, which is resistance. So this is resistance 1, this is resistance 2, this is resistance 3, this is support. Man, what a beautiful trade. I should get back in there. I should have stayed in that trade. But gotta be disciplined, right? I'm disciplined, right? For what I put into the trade today, I mean, I'm super blessed, right? So from here, 956, where are we? That candle right there, look at that. Look at that monster move. What a move. I'm actually gonna get back in that trade. Give me a second here. I'm gonna wait for that candle to close. Oh, this platform is garbage. That's the thing. The market makers never want to fail you. They never want to fill you at your price. They want to fill you at their price. And they want to carp you alive. And they want to carp you alive. Well, here comes the reversal. What is this now? It's 89-cent range. See, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get in right on this close right here in this candle here. And that's what happens, right? Always, always, always on the low. You see how it closes. You see how it closes, rallies, right? Right here. As soon as this candle opened up right here, I should have been like, you know what? Maybe let me take that ride down and then look at the size of this candle. This just wiped out. This candle here just wiped out that move right there. 1, 2, 3. That one candle wiped out the whole entire move, brought it back up to here, right? Now it's outside of the channel. So based on what just happened here, this is going to be low level consolidation. So there's either going to be a breakout. So let's draw this. So there's your volatility box. This is going to be a low level consolidation. Now this is going to be a zone where you kind of have to look at it now as a trader and say to yourself, do you want to short into a hole? Because what's happening now is you already dug a deep pit, right? Think of this as you got a shovel and you got a pit, right? And you're digging into the pit and you dug pretty low. And then all of a sudden you say to yourself, do you want to continue to dig deeper and, plant some seeds? Or do you just want to say, you know what, I dug the hole, I got myself out. I put my flowers in there, they grew, I got profit, and I'm out. So see what happens now off of the reversal, low level consolidation. This could be now where Tesla breaks out, right? That was a big beefy candle let me just remove the volatility box. That was a big beefy candle right there. That was another Maribozo reversal bullish to the upside, obviously. Now you have this is a spinning top, but it opened, right? Look at the range there on that spinning top. Open on the shoulder, close on the heel. Still bullish. And then now you're going to see the reversal. So look at that move. So 1, 2, 3. So that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoyed this live trading session. Hope you guys took the trade. Hope you guys stayed in the trade. You're very profitable. For those of you that are watching us on social media, forgive me for all the coughing and all that kind of stuff and all the other real-time stuff that happens when you're doing a review. And very good day today. Closed out in the green. Very happy. So what I'll do is I will show you the profit, which I shouldn't be showing you the profit because I kind of said to myself I got to stop doing the profit and loss kind of statements because it's nobody's business now after all these years. But people love to see it. They want to see it. I don't know why. But I'm more going in now into showing you exactly how to trade, what I'm looking at, what I'm thinking, what I'm seeing across the screen. And these end of the day live trading recaps and these live trading recaps and these live trades, everything I'm doing all in one for you guys is, these are lessons, right? These are lessons. No other traders are going to do this. I don't see any other trader doing this live in real time, right? Sticking their neck out there. I don't see them doing it, right? If they do it, God bless them, because they should be doing it. That's the value that they got to be providing for you, right? They want to charge you $5,000, $10,000 for their courses. This is the stuff that you should be looking at. You should be saying, hey, is this person legit? Is this girl legit? This woman legit? Is this guy legit? Is this dude legit? Like, why don't they show me what's going on? Why do they always show me just a sales page? So that is what it is. So my name is Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.